Hello everyone, it's already from Imagine Web Design. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the newsletter form that comes with Squarespace. So this is the original one. I am going to make a few tweaks to this with CSS so that we don't show the low border that you can see here on this example. I actually would like to keep a simple border, colored border at the bottom only and remove the rest. And I would also like to make this form or the fields a little skinnier because I think they're a little too big. And finally, the last thing I'm going to show you is how you can change the size of this button, because as you can see right here, it's a little bit larger than the rest of the fields. All right, so let's jump in. First off, we need to go add some custom code. So let's click in design and then custom CSS. Okay, so I have the code right here, which makes it a lot easier for me. So let me copy paste this code right there. And right here, you can see the difference. So removing it. So this is how it looked like before with the code. This is the end result. So what I've done is add I removed all of the borders, as you can see right here, the top, the left, and the right, but I kept the bottom one and I just edited this one and styled this one. So you can obviously change the color as you wish with the color you want. You can also change the size, the thickness of the border. So you could do a thinner one, for example, if I put two right here, which looks really nice as well. Or you can make it thicker if you want to, as you can see right here. So I'm going to keep it at 4 for now. And again, you could change the color as well. Let me just put, oops, I'm gonna remove that piece of code. So if I put black right here, it shows a black. You can put any color that you like to have. And make sure you keep the important right here so your website takes this in consideration first. Let me go back to the color I had selected previously. Now I'm going to change the height of the fill because I think they're too wide and I want to make this a little skinnier. So this is the piece of code that you need to do this. Let me go back up. Here you are. So as you can see, it's a lot skinnier than it used to be. Just removing again so that you can see the difference right here. So basically my height is what I changed here. So 25, you could make it a little bit skinnier if you wanted to, but then it becomes very, very small. So I would keep it at 25. I think this is perfect. And finally now, so let me just expand this so we can see how it looks. It's even more obvious that the button is bigger. So let's change that. Let me go back to my editor. I'm going to copy and paste this piece of code right here. And back up to show you the difference. Looks like I am missing, here we are. All right. So again, removing it so you can see the difference. The button is right here. Adding the code, and here we go. The button is now a lot smaller. And if I look on a wider screen, this is just perfect. I could make it a little smaller if I wanted to. Let me see how this will look if I put 0.80 here, 80 here. Let's see if that's even better. Even better. This is perfect. But again, it really depends on the height of your fields and also the thickness of the border you have chosen for the fields. So you might need to play with it and with this code in order to make it fit for your website and make sure everything looks seamless. So I hope this was helpful. Let me save that. Here we go. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.